Watching silent taxis pass me by one. And in the bluish glow on my phone screen's light, I feel a different kind of life ignite. Away from all the noise, away from all the fight. I'm a midnight bloom in a city made of glass, finding beauty in the moments that are built to pass. A secret garden growing in the overpass. Yeah, I'm a midnight bloom, finally growing fast. In the quiet of the dark, I know I'm meant to last. Saw a couple laughing underneath the store's neon sign. For a second, wish the kind of easy love was mine. But the feeling fades like vapor on the winter air. There's a freedom in the solitude, a silent prayer. And in the bluish glow of my phone screen's light, I see a different kind of strength ignite. Away from all the wrong and into all the right. I'm a midnight